Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on my second generation Lexus NX. I'm talking about the OEM filters and wiper inserts that you could get for your vehicle. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to notify new videos. And if you like my video to the end and it helped you, please help me out with a thumbs up. Okay, so today we're looking at my 2024 Lexus NX 350h all-wheel drive. It's in an atomic silver, and yes, it's a luxury trim. Today I'm going to share with you some of the filter and wiper insert that you could buy and do yourself to save you time and money. So starting out, number one, the engine filter. The engine filter is actually very easy to do, and you don't need to go to dealer to do it. You can actually do it yourself. There's actually a few latches and you could just pull the filter out and put the new one in. Simple as that. So, but you need to get the part number. So here's the part number, and I'll post the video description if I have a video on it already. That's this one here, 17801 77050. So put that in the description if you're interested in checking it out. And how does it look like? Well, it looks like this when you take it out of the box. And I like to use and recommend the OEM engine filter because that's the one that the manufacturer recommends for your vehicle. And very simple process to do for the engine filter like I mentioned, and this is simple DIY that you could do yourself. So that's the part number. I put the video at the end. The other item is the cabin filter. The cabin filter, otherwise referred to as the pollen filter, is under the glove compartment over here. And that's a very easy to do as well, but a little bit more involved because you have to take the glove compartment out pretty much to change it. And yes, it shares the same part as the RAV4 87139 58010. Yes, I did buy it from Bell Lexus online, which is the best deal and excellent service. Not endorsed by them, by the way. And that's as simple as replacing, putting in the new one. And that looks like this one. So this is the thicker one, by the way, because I like the thicker one. I think it filters better. Notice the direction pointing up for the airflow for this filter to go in. And I would say every year I would change it one time. You don't need to change it that often. So number three, if you have a hybrid, you have a hybrid battery filter. So that would be under the second row seat on the passenger side, and there's a little screw that you screw it out and pull it out. Be careful with that because they're plastic. And this is the part number, G92DH4010. And very easy to do. They're called hybrid battery filter, HV battery filter. So how does that look like? It looks like this over here, right? And usually you could just use a duster or some blower to clean the filter, but after a while it's going to be hard to clean and eventually you want to replace it. So I've been checking it every 5,000 miles, but I think you probably could check it every 10,000 miles. And I just cleaned it. It's not that dirty as well. And lastly, I'm talking about the OEM wiper inserts. These are not the wiper blades. I don't want to go through playing around with the wiper blades. Just change the inserts. And the wiper inserts are easy to change. There's two in the front, of course, one larger one, one smaller one. Make sure you get the right ones. I'll put the part number in the description as well. And this is the one in the back. So 85214-0R170. So you probably want to check this every year, maybe say before winter comes. And usually they last about a year or two, depending if you park your vehicle outside. If you park your vehicle outside, you might have to change it every year. If you park your vehicle inside, maybe it'll last maybe 2 years or so. But usually those are common items to replace. Hopefully this video helps you out. And you have a video suggestion, please post it in the comments and I'll see if I can make that video as well. I own this vehicle since March and it's been problem free. Yes, I've been through doing 5,000 mile oil changes. I'm actually a little bit over right now, about 200 miles. So video idea, please post it below. If this video helps you out, I really appreciate a thumbs up. Comment to share, please leave it below. Please remember to subscribe. Have an excellent week, excellent weekend as well too. And see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.